In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft OneDrive Sync with Microsoft Teams and SharePoint files. Let's get started with the basics. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. This well-known application acts as your hub for teamwork, where you can collaborate in channels dedicated to different projects or teams. Once you have Teams up and running, navigate to your community channel. This is the central place where you collaborate with your whole team, and importantly, it's where you'll manage the files you want to sync seamlessly. Now, while you're in your chosen channel, you might notice something interesting. If you head to the Files tab, you'll see there isn't a visible sync button. But don't worry, this is actually good news. The absence of a manual sync button means that your Microsoft Teams are already set up to auto-sync with your OneDrive. This hidden sync feature is designed to make file management more efficient, cutting down on unnecessary manual syncing. Let's see this auto-sync function in action by starting a new post within your channel. When you begin a new post, click on the paperclip icon, which is often labeled as Attach File. This handy feature allows you to upload a file directly from your device. Choose a file that you'd like to share, and feel free to include a message to accompany the file in your post. Once you've finalized the details, go ahead and click on Post. After posting, head over to the Files tab again to confirm that your file has been successfully uploaded. You should see the file you just shared listed there. Next, let's move on to OneDrive to explore the sync process further. Open OneDrive on your computer or through your web browser, and then navigate to the My Files section. Here, you'll find a folder labeled Microsoft Teams Chat Files. This special folder holds all the files you've shared in Teams chats and keeps them in perfect sync with your OneDrive. By clicking on this folder, you can see the file you uploaded moments ago. This automatic syncing feature ensures that all your shared files are easily accessible from OneDrive at any time, simplifying how you manage your documents. Finally, a quick note for those using SharePoint: this process is a bit different but still straightforward. Start by signing into your organization's SharePoint site. Once logged in, navigate to the document library that you wish to keep synced. In the toolbar, you'll find a Sync button. Select it. This action initiates a sync between the SharePoint document library and your local OneDrive, ensuring your SharePoint files are readily available on all your synced devices. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to utilize Microsoft OneDrive Sync with Teams and SharePoint files. This method ensures your files are automatically and seamlessly managed across platforms, enhancing your productivity and collaboration.